Hello, students of class 5 of Gyan Niketan Girls School. Welcome to the 62nd video session of your maths class. Today, our topic of discussion is division of decimals. The first type we learn today is division of a decimal by a whole number. Working rule for dividing a decimal number by a whole number. The steps are: step 1, perform the division by considering the dividend a whole number. Step 2, when the division of whole number part of the dividend is complete, put the decimal point in the quotient and proceed with the division process as in the case of whole numbers. Let us take some examples to discuss this topic. Divide 43.128 by 12. So we will do the division by long process. 43.128 is our dividend and our divisor is 12. So 12 will go 3 times in 43, that is whole number part. So 43, 12 3 is 36. Subtracting 36 from 43, we will get 7, and 7 is smaller than 12. So we will put down the digit 1 after the decimal point. So we will also put the decimal point in the quotient after 3. Now it becomes 71. So 12 5 is 60. Subtracting 60 from 71, we will get 11. So we will put down the next digit after the decimal point, that is 2, and then it will become 112. So now 12 9 is 108, and subtracting 108 from 112, we will get 48. And now we will put down the last digit, that is 8, after the decimal point. So it will become 48. So 12 4 is 48. Hence 43.128 divided by 12 is equal to 3.594. Let us take another example. Divide 7.155 by 9. So in the long division process, here we see that the whole number part of the decimal number is smaller than the divisor. So 9 will go 0 times. So 9 zeros are 0. So subtracting 0 from 7, we will get 7. Now we will put down the digit 1 after the decimal point. So we will put the decimal point in the quotient after 0. So 0 point, okay. So it will become 71. So 9 7 is 63. Subtracting 63 from 71, we will get 8, and we will put down the second digit after the decimal point, that is 5, and it will become 85. So 9 9 is 81. Subtracting 81 from 85, we will get 4, and we will put down the third digit, that is 5, after the decimal point, and it will become 45. So 9 5 is 45. On subtracting 45 from 45, we will get 0. So we can say that 7.155 divided by 9 is equal to 0.795. Now let us discuss division of a decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000 etc. The rule is, when we divide a decimal number by 10, we shift the decimal point one digit left from its original position. 2. When we divide a decimal number by 100, we shift the decimal point 2 digits to the left from its original position. Point number 3. When we divide a decimal number by 1000, we shift the decimal point 3 digits to the left from its original position, and so on. Let us take some example. Divide 723.23 by 10. So now we will shift the decimal point, which is between 3 and 2, to the between 2 and 3, that is one digit to the left side. So it will come between 2 and 3. So our answer will be 72.923. Second example. 924.54 divided by 100. So when we divide by 100, we will shift the decimal point 2 digit to the left. That is, it will come between 9 and 2. 1 digit, 2 digit. So it will come between 9 and 2. So our answer will be 9.2454. Example number 3. 1657.27 divided by 1000. So the decimal point will shift 3 digit to the left side. So it will come between 1 and 6. So our answer will be 1.65727. Now girls, your homework is exercise 45 and 46. Do 5 questions from each. Okay girls, thank you. Next in the next class.